Bitcoin Cash could lose 11.6% by June 7, as reported by 30 Rates. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. Today, Bitcoin Cash has gone down 15.8% and is now sitting around $203.50. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. 30 Rates suggests the asset may retreat to $180 by June 7, about 11.6% down from current value. CoinDataFlow sees a path for Bitcoin Cash to reach $204.29, implying a move up of 0.3%. CoinCodex notes it might move higher toward $214.24, roughly 5.2% up. A separate outlook from Digital Coin price points to Bitcoin Cash climbing to $219.59, a potential increase of roughly 7.8%. And lastly, Gov Capital Collector projects the price at $233.92 by tomorrow, which is 14.8% above today's price. This is the top return projection of all we covered. We've gone over 5 predictions. Let's continue. With all 5 predictions in mind, let's look at the numbers. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a decline of 11.6% to an increase of 14.8%, depending on the analyst. This means Gov Capital Collector stands at the top with 14.8% climb in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could make between $3 and $148 for every $1,000 you invest. When we look at the odds, CoinDataFlow takes the top with a 96.3% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. The aggregated forecast suggests Bitcoin Cash could end near $210.41. Here are the details. Forecasts combined point to a 3.3% growth in price by tomorrow. In that case, your capital could also rise by about 3.3%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $33 gained. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Bitcoin Cash is about 85.3%. To follow up, let's see how analysts describe the 3-day performance. 30 Rates expects the chart to tilt downward. Also, CoinDataFlow expects losses to extend. A move higher is suggested by CoinCodex. The near-term direction, likewise noted by Digital Coin price, is up. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector describes the near-term outlook as bullish. The consensus highlights that Bitcoin Cash may gain strength in the short term. In total, 60% of analysts point to an upward direction for Bitcoin Cash. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $210. In the end, 3 out of 5 got the direction right. Highest accuracy score went to CoinDataFlow. Let's put everything in order. Yesterday's span included 3 predictions. Regarding ROI, several results showed gains. CoinDataFlow was the strongest performer with 5.5%. Now appearing is the full summary. The verified outcome for all analysts. As part of today's review, CoinDataFlow posted 5.5% ROI and accuracy. Try to find which forecast actually matched how the market moved. Let's see how the forecasts for tomorrow compare across several cryptos, including Bitcoin Cash. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Bitcoin Cash stands at 2nd place, and Litecoin shows 4.7% potential return. At this stage, Bitcoin Cash is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. If you'd like to keep watching how different analysts perform, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.